Mitsubishi Pajero HD Review 2027. Born to conquer, built to inspire. There are vehicles that serve a purpose, and then there are legends that define generations. The Mitsubishi Pajero HD 2027 belongs to the latter. It isn't just an SUV, it's a declaration that power, luxury, and technology can coexist in perfect harmony. Mitsubishi didn't just update a model. They resurrected a legacy and re-engineered it for a new era of performance and precision. The Pajero has always symbolized endurance and adventure, but in 2027, it transcends that. The Pajero HD has become an emblem of evolution, transforming raw toughness into refined intelligence. The first time you see it, the Pajero HD 2027 instantly commands attention. The exterior speaks the language of modern muscle: sharp lines, aerodynamic contours, and bold symmetry. The signature dynamic shield grille is broader and bolder than ever, finished in matte black chrome that contrasts beautifully with the Ultra HD sapphire blue body. The newly designed laser matrix LED headlights cut through fog and darkness like daylight, giving the car a futuristic face that seems alive even when parked. The silhouette is sculpted to perfection: long, strong, and athletic. The elevated stance, wide wheel arches, and 21-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels complete a look that screams both luxury and authority. At the rear, the slim LED taillights and the illuminated Pajero HD badge glow with confidence, making sure everyone knows who owns the road. But the real transformation happens the moment you open the door. The interior of the 2027 Pajero HD is a masterpiece, a place where elegance meets innovation. The dashboard is wrapped in hand-stitched Napa leather with brushed aluminum highlights. Ambient LED lighting runs along the cabin lines, shifting colors to match your drive mode or mood. Front and center, you'll find a 15.6-inch curved HD touchscreen, the command center for everything: navigation, climate, entertainment, and vehicle control. The 13-inch fully digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel displays torque distribution, live suspension movement, terrain information, and AI alerts, all rendered in crisp Ultra HD clarity. The Bose 16-speaker 3D sound system creates a concert-like experience, while noise-canceling glass ensures the world outside never disturbs your peace. Coon. Under the hood lies the beating heart of this beast, a 3.2L twin-turbo diesel hybrid engine, producing a jaw-dropping 295 horsepower and 520 Nm of torque. It's paired with an advanced 9-speed automatic transmission and Mitsubishi's Super Select 4WD3 system, which now integrates predictive AI torque distribution. Whether you're gliding down the highway or conquering rocky terrains, the 2027 Pajero HD senses and adapts in milliseconds. Its new adaptive terrain sense system uses over 30 real-time sensors to analyze grip, angle, and resistance, instantly adjusting power between the axles. From mud to snow, sand to tarmac, the transition is seamless. Driving the Pajero HD 2027 feels like being in control of a living machine. The steering is sharp, yet smooth, the braking system is precise, and the suspension feels like magic. Mitsubishi NS Hydraulic Multi-Link Adaptive Suspension (HMS) has been re-engineered to handle everything from potholes to dunes with absolute grace. Even at high speeds, the SUV remains planted, steady, and silent. A true luxury performance balance. On the safety front, the Pajero HD 2027 takes things to the next level. The new Mitsubishi Guardian AI monitors the road 360 degrees, using cameras, radar, and sensors to predict hazards before they occur. It alerts the driver through gentle seat vibrations or dashboard indicators. Alongside this, features like lane departure prevention, Smart Cruise Plus, collision mitigation, drowsiness alert, and auto emergency braking ensure maximum protection. And for those who love long drives, there's even a driver wellness mode. which automatically adjusts lighting, seat comfort. The regenerative braking and electric torque assist allow the Pajero HD 2027 to deliver an impressive 15 km/h average, remarkable for its power class. The hybrid mode also enables silent city drives under electric power only, perfect for reducing emissions without compromising luxury or strength. But numbers alone don't define the Pajero. What truly makes it extraordinary is how it feels. When you're behind the wheel, you feel connected, not just to the road, but to the machine itself. Every sound, every vibration, every motion feels intentional and alive. It's like the car senses your confidence and amplifies it. As the night falls and the world quiets, the Pajero HD 2027's interior glows softly with ambient light, reflecting off the metallic trim like stars across a horizon. You sit in silence, surrounded by craftsmanship and technology, realizing that this isn't just an SUV, it's an experience. Mitsubishi hasn't built a car. They've built a statement that says strength doesn't have to be loud and luxury doesn't have to be fragile. The Pajero HD 2027 carries forward decades of legacy while boldly embracing the future. Stronger, smarter, and more soulful than ever. It's not just a drive, it's a journey of power, evolution, and emotion. The kind of drive that reminds you that roads don't define you. You define them. So, when you see that glowing Pajero HD badge reflecting under city lights or covered in mountain dust, remember, this is T-Just Mitsubishi's return to glory. It as the rebirth of a king. The Mitsubishi Pajero HD 2027 isn't here to compete, it's here to conquer.